security. Total, we have been offering 90 programs from the Bangalore Regional Center, of which we have already decided to add some more programs which we have already given to this special study center. We have given BCom, BA and BPP. I had a lot of discussion with Director Regional Services Division, Dr. Venugopal Reddy. We would like to extend some more support to this special study center, especially certificate in functional English. We already made up our mind to give you. And also we have already made up our mind to give you Bachelor Arts in Philosophy. Sir has already discussed with me. The next session, we would like to add some more programs for this study center. Then we do offer MBA program generally, and BEd also we do offer. BSc Nursing also we do offer from the Bangalore Regional Center, but it is little difficult for us to give immediately. It may take a long time to, because unless you have BEd and MBA college here, we are unable to give these high-level programs. Then special programs like BCom, that MCom, BCom, MCom, that is A and F, F and CA, BP and CA. Some other programs is related to finance and accounts, which will also help you in near future. There are presently, we have 15 full-fledged study center under Bangalore Regional Center. 15 full-fledged study center Bangalore Regional Center. 8 newly submitted proposals for establishing to study center 8, and 22 program study center are there, and 2 special study centers are there. Out of 2, 1 belongs to this Bailkuppe, which you are all very happy, and you have that His Holiness Sri Dalai Lama Ji early in the morning that opened this special study center. I think I felt very happy. The more unity, whenever there is more unity, His Holiness Dalai Lama early in the morning mentioned at around 12 o'clock. That maximum unity and more achievement, it is really true. We should also follow it. Then he also mentioned modern knowledge and ancient knowledge blended together. We can bring a peace in this world. Really, it is really worth to follow all of us. And he also, I am really delighted to mention here that he mentioned the name of India. India can do it only peace country by blending the modern knowledge as well as ancient knowledge in order to bring the harmony and peace in the world. Hats up to you, sir, your organizations, and mentioning our great country like India. And our PC's office is also expecting a lot. Sir, definitely I can give you confidence. I take the permission from both the office, my superior officer, Dr. Venugopal Reddy, Dr. Jitendra Kumar Srivatsava. Whatever you need help from our side, definitely our service is at your doorstep, sir. Certainly we are ready to extend any kind of help along with my sitting this IGNOU Regional Center staff. So I don't want to continue that more because due to paucity of the time. Certainly, we are ready to extend some more programs shortly. Plus, whatever you have any difficulties or any suggestions, certainly put forward to us. I am sure and quite confident that certainly we will achieve it. Thank you, and all of them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Imrapura, for your inspiring thoughts. Tene tamsheba nipa di tanda jaga jayong ino shin tine ko yongzo jigita ti ngenzi di chadcha. May I request the Dr. B. Venugopal Reddy together to address the gathering, please.
Good afternoon to everybody. His Excellency Sri Dalai Lama Ji, President, Chief Guest, Vice Chancellor, Sarjay University, and other dignitaries on the dais, my colleague, Professor Jitendra Srivastav, Registrar of the Indira Gandhi National Open University, also my colleague, Dr. Imrapur, Regional Director, Bangalore Regional Center, and a few of my colleagues who are sitting in the second row, who will be of great help to all of you, Dr. Kasturi, Dr. Hema Malini, Dr. Shanmugam, and these are all academic officers. I welcome each one of you for today's special function on IGNOU and related matters. I also welcome each one of you for today's function. First of all, let me say happy news that there is so much of audience who are here. They want to listen to us. I must thank each one of you who are here to listen to us. I must also thank you for giving us this opportunity to come here all over from Delhi and other places to meet you. Today, with the support of Sarjay University and other officers here, we have opened a special study center, and that is declared that will be functional, an independent special study center from today onwards, beginning from January 2018 cycle. That means now you can start registering students for January 2018 beginning from now. The advertisement has already come. The students can take admission online for the IGNOU programs which are activated here. Initially, we had tough time to open a study center for various administrative reasons. As my colleague Dr. Imrapur explained very clearly, we had a tough time. It took almost 6 months. Mr. Sonam and his colleagues visited IGNOU Delhi office where we sit number of times, but we want to help you, but we could not help you easily. Finally, a stage has come. I had to come all the way along with Imrapur and visited here, seen, satisfied, and happily went back, and we opened the study center. That is how this special study center has come here. Now, what is this IGNOU? IGNOU means Indira Gandhi National Open University, which has national jurisdiction with international presence. National means the full country, the entire country we are covering with 67 regional centers and 2,914 study centers. Out of these 2,900 study centers, this special study center which is opened here is also one out of that. What is the study center? Study center is nothing but a college. Everything that happens, whatever it happens in a college, that happens here. That happens here. Here there will be teachers, there will be students, there will be supporting staff. All these centers will be reporting to Bangalore office. Bangalore office will report to Delhi office. This university has 240 academic programs, 3,000 courses. I know you are going to ask me a question. How many of the courses, programs we have given here? As I said, it is the beginning. We have given you initially only BA and few programs. I promise you, we are going to much more courses, but you need to help us. You need to give us teachers. Teachers means you may not be having all the teachers which are available in the campus, but you can even invite teachers from outside. Outside means beyond the campus of this location. It can be from Mysore, it can be anywhere. We leave it to you, but we want teachers and the facilities. If the teachers are there, if the facilities are there, we can give you a few programs which are more important, which are relevant for all of you, including monks and civilians, and even for students from other locations. For example, I can give you, we can offer you MA Philosophy, BA Philosophy, Masters in Social Work, Bachelors in Social Work, Computing, Teaching in English. There are many programs which we can offer you subject to you give us teachers. Teachers. Without teachers, without qualified teachers, without following the formalities given by the university, we cannot start any program here. Only when we can start the program when there are teachers, when there are facilities. Please give us. We go on adding programs for July 2018 and also for January 2019. Why I am saying July and January? Our university admits students every year 2 times. Once for January, once for July. Now the January session is beginning now. You can start enrolling online. The next batch will be again July. That is how we proceed, and you can submit applications. How these programs are going to be implemented? There will be some queries and clarifications. If you have, we will clarify all those queries and clarifications. At the end of the program, maybe we will allow you to say 5-6 questions we can answer. Now the last one is, once we enroll students for different programs of this university, the students of this university will be given an identity card, will be given an independent letter, will be given full-fledged course materials, required course material, also the facility to connect with our e-GAN-course, or you can even see our material online if you are a student of this university. Even if you are not a student of this university, you can see all programs, all courses, 3,000 courses on our IGNOU e-GAN-course, and you can study. There are no restrictions, there are no obstacles. Anyone can see, anyone can study our programs. And once you enroll, all the students will be attached to this study center which is located in your premises. Your teachers will be there, your staff will be there, your students will be there. The classroom interaction, the counseling, the evaluation, the assessment of assignments, everything that happens as per norms of the university. One thing you must keep it in the mind. What is more important is knowledge, skills, not the marks alone. Marks alone matters, provided we have knowledge, skills, and abilities. Once you acquire these abilities, you can compete anywhere in the world, irrespective of the university name. So with this brief speech, I thank you, each one of you, for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vinod Gopal Reddy. He is very supportive and he's always given us a very instruction how to go. Thank you so much. And fourth speaker is Professor J.K. Shrivastava. Please join me to welcome Dr. Shrivastava.
नमस्कार। मंच पर उपस्थित सेंट्रल तिब्बतन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर लॉपसे सेंजंग, कुलपति आपके इस विश्वविद्यालय के सेरा जेग, जो डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन हैं आप, और चीफ जो बैठे हैं आपकी ओर से, और हमारे इंदिरा गांधी राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विश्वविद्यालय की तरफ से हमारे साथी क्षेत्रीय सेवा प्रभाग के निदेशक डॉक्टर वेणुगोपाल रेड्डी जी, और क्षेत्रीय केंद्र बेंगलुरु के निदेशक डॉक्टर इमरापुरकर जी। हमारे सभागार में भी हमारे क्षेत्रीय केंद्र के साथी बैठे हैं, डॉक्टर रेड्डी बता रहे थे उनके बारे में। और आप सब जो इस सभागार में बैठे हैं, सबसे पहले तो मैं इस विशेष अध्ययन केंद्र के खुलने पर आप सबको बधाई देना चाहता हूं, अपने क्षेत्रीय केंद्र बेंगलुरु के साथियों को भी, और आप सब जो तिब्बतन समाज के लोग यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं। आप सबको इस स्पेशल स्टडी सेंटर की स्थापना पर बधाई। आज सुबह धर्मगुरु श्री श्री दलाई लामा जी के दर्शन हुए, उनका स्पर्श प्राप्त हुआ। अद्भुत सुबह थी ये, अद्भुत सुबह थी। हम सब बहुत प्रसन्न थे। हम सभी साथी डॉक्टर वेणुगोपाल रेड्डी जी और इमरापुरकर जी बात कर रहे थे। ये विशेष है, यह दृश्य भी विशेष है जब मैं देख रहा हूं कि इतने सारे लोग आप में से जो बौद्ध धर्म के अनुयायी हैं और तमाम खिड़कियों पर लोग बैठे हैं। यह ऐतिहासिक दृश्य है। यह भारत में शिक्षा की जागरूकता के लिए, पढ़ने और पढ़ाने के लिए विशेष क्षण है जब आप लोग इस तरह उत्सुक निगाहों से इग्नू की ओर देख रहे हैं और हम उसे पूरा करना चाहते हैं। भारत धर्म प्राण देश है। धर्म हमारा जीव द्रव्य है। हम चाहते हैं कि धर्म का विस्तार हो और धर्म वही जो महात्मा बुद्ध कह गए, भारत की आत्मा में बसता है अहिंसा और करुणा। सुबह कह रहे थे बातचीत में धर्मगुरु श्री श्री दलाई लामा जी कि अहिंसा और करुणा के साथ आधुनिक शिक्षा पद्धति को मिलाया जाना चाहिए। उससे जो नए मनुष्य शिक्षित होंगे, शायद एक नया समाज बनाने में हमें उससे मदद मिलेगी। भारत की आत्मा अहिंसा और करुणा में बसती है और आप सब उसके ध्वजवाहक हैं। आप सब उसका झंडा उठाए हुए हैं और पूरी दुनिया में आप चाहते हैं कि अहिंसा हो, शांति हो, करुणा हो। हम आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं, आपका स्वागत करते हैं इस अवसर पर इग्नू की तरफ से। अभी डॉक्टर रेड्डी ने विस्तार से बताया कि स्टडी सेंटर का क्या मतलब है, हम स्टडी सेंटर क्यों खोलते हैं, रीजनल सेंटर हमारे क्यों खुलते हैं और किस तरह हम उन जगहों तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं जहां तक अभी शिक्षा की बयार नहीं पहुंची है, हवा नहीं पहुंची है, जहां लोग शिक्षा तो चाहते हैं लेकिन शिक्षा की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है, कोई उम्मीद नहीं है। इग्नू उन सभी जगहों तक पहुंचना चाहता है। मैं कहना यह चाहता हूं कि जहां अभी सूरज नहीं पहुंच पाता, इग्नू वहां पहुंचना चाहता है। और यह सब आप जैसे लोगों के सहयोग से ही संभव होता है। हम अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते। आप जैसे लोग मिलते हैं और इग्नू का कारवां, काफिला बढ़ता चला जाता है, बनता चला जाता है। और हम इस समय दुनिया के सबसे बड़े विश्वविद्यालय यूं ही नहीं बने। इग्नू दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा विश्वविद्यालय है। 35 लाख विद्यार्थी लगभग हमारे पास इनरोल्ड हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं। दुनिया के अलग अलग देशों में भी हमारे विद्यार्थी हैं। तो हम यूं ही इतने बड़े विश्वविद्यालय नहीं बन गए। आप सबका प्यार, आप सबका सहयोग मिला है तो हम इतने बड़े विश्वविद्यालय बने हैं और आगे भी हम इसी तरह से इस सफर में आगे बढ़ेंगे। मुझे अच्छा लगा आप लोगों को देखकर, अपना बचपन याद आया। मैं जिस जगह से आता हूं वो महात्मा बुद्ध की धरती है। मैं गोरखपुर से आता हूं। कुशीनगर मेरे अपने जिले देवरिया का एक हिस्सा होता था पहले, अब नया जिला बन गया। लुम्बिनी एक तरफ है, एक तरफ कुशीनगर है, एक तरफ श्रावस्ती है। मैंने बचपन में लामाओं को देखा था जब मैं छोटा था। तो आप सबको देखकर मुझे पुनः अपने बचपन की स्मृति आई, जब आप जैसे ढेर सारे बौद्ध धर्म के लोग, अनुयायी वहां दिखते थे, अपने काम में, अपने उद्देश्य में लगे हुए रत। अच्छा लगा। मैं पुनः इस अवसर पर यहाँ जो मोनेस्ट्री विश्वविद्यालय है उसके सभी साथियों को, सोनम का जिक्र आया, बहुत उत्साह के साथ वो और उनके साथी लगे थे। आप सब लोग, सोनम और उनके सभी साथियों को भी, अपने साथी डॉक्टर इमरापुरकर को भी, क्षेत्रीय सेवा प्रभाग को भी बधाई देता हूं और अपने माननीय कुलपति प्रोफेसर एसबी अरोरा की तरफ से जो प्रशासनिक व्यस्तताओं के नाते नहीं आ पाए, उनकी ओर से भी आप सबको शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, बधाई देता हूं और आश्वस्त करता हूं कि किसी भी प्रकार की प्रशासनिक सहयोग के लिए जब भी आप इग्नू की तरफ देखेंगे, इग्नू आपका सहयोग करेगा, आपकी ओर बढ़ेगा। आप एक कदम बढ़ेंगे, हम 10 कदम बढ़ेंगे। धन्यवाद।
thank you so much for your inspiring thoughts. And finally, please join me to put your hands together to welcome Dr. Losam Sengye, President of Central Tibetan Administration.
아주 벽이 라나메 부티 진호 공수점 교육팀 초라 구샤드다 세르치기 케르부체 쇠베 킨수 아니 레도 러트 남바 겸니긴 되긴데 아데네 대페베 지디 산내 군지 부치 위베 소박하기 찰레낭에 상만대 민망 상말 토망에 가샥 삽체제 너무 상말 닝타관에 참지지실이 쉬어이 다리가 시제 소남 진부시다 삼수 간선 타라 담진 왕 토비운데 가블라 땅아 다린 숨제 미즈디나 바르제 상황 토버제 삼진의 시종기 찰레 가리 요베이네야 람롱 요베기 가수 고다머스 수수 삼삼지가 초믹스 중수 디소스 다른 데가 자야 라바다 왕슈야 라바들라 닝타권 투체나 슈야이 믹스에 그 메다가 인자 제치마 삼당구 요되어 가블라 더 왕다 안다하는 시 간제 치르부치 위베 르트나 먼님도 닝궁 재미 슈야라 구갑라 요되어 가라 셰라드 냠도 칠럽기 충수 삼삼쇼 충수라래 안다라데 다 시제 된데 세르체네 잉노 믹세이션 때네 강 수투버들라 나우슈슈웨이 내가의 믹세이션 차듯이 간서 시제디 사지디 페제낭 시네 믹세이션 피샤 차유거래 아니 다는 시 세라멜라의 능시네 나데 테스트 해봐요래 사지 믹세 피샤들라 깨야야 첨부시우 추사우게 요바 깨라 첨부시우 두시 과시도 되는 다른 데레 용되어 가라 그 사지 피부를 뒤지 튕기지 나라 딱 겐두버도 차수부 요다 메시드 뒤지 튕기지 나라 각부 전부 된지 랑사래 깨야서 된지 야 첨부 사샤 디비데오 시제 미제소 꿀레 교연시 무슨 남구 여르데 근데 카드 미제 들어봐이나 가두이네 근데 가차 수바 소라부지 서로 여백이 다리 넘버 세부 중수 안데가 무엇이 제라바데 가소치부시다 중수 안 찰렌당의 상말라 낙취 슈에 인시 슈에 라오 다시제 다른쇼 공수쇼 까나온 낭시레 납중나구로 야가 페베 갑라 디디우갑 기카나다가 칩 미니스터 제 디네 납중나구로 아니 페 땅줄릉부 쇼체 젠쇼를 조리인데 갑라 사진낭에 디디우 갑라 디집 미니스터 차유고래 안 당에 닝궁 재미 갑라 아니 간디시르 무시레 아니 코나 무숭구도 포마데 조르베 갑라 아니 더 박사니 페웨기 남바데 슈도와 코나마데 페 아니 케르부치가 직접 붙이나 아니 라드 남부속기 아 쭉부 야부에는 아니 겐디버 상마 찰레낭 제타 저게 달고 디데오가 딱 달래 예비찬데 세디게 상마 뷰타고 쳐야 여러봐 디데오 갑시다 매버체 안다 사고 도고 싱파 제체 도식 담바식 식버식 사바식 아니 렘베 꿀레교체 아니 문바드마수네 셴샤우치 차유되어 하라 미도 gem바 디디오 갑라 꿀레교베 갑라 텐데라 마옹바 차낭을 텐데 차용 삼백이 텐데 차낭 연독하브레데 차기 레삼백이 딩즈에 가져이 미싱메 다 디디오 갑제 달래 두르 임베이나 인데 변나라 안다 만주 원데카 아니 군스 펜줄 무시에기 다 측주 기뒤나 거부시 중으로 계속 굽죽 겁게 떠버래 얘네 근두베 이네 계속 굽죽 고고 사고 매브 차브 아니 그래서 낭백이 최디 벳 코란다 냠바라래 다 가지 찍고 다 가지 니를 레버 요마라 딘디 내땅 타 뼈에 깝라 깝라 박사니 페베 아니 긴드나부서 꿀레 껴체 아니 렘베 찾아랑 투부 중요하다 중세도 달래가서 군대카 전조나 상투 마세 다 달래는데 믹스 때문에 한지 수유거래 수주기 남상기 비추 깨르수 제도 마세 땡두기 롭존 나 마세 지주원 나네 지금 비구도 중니 게톨 비에 안 비콤 데니 지기 제제다 미유드 마수네 여부시송 체시 락달 체제 피기 여대 갑라 이번에는 랍체기 제제를 시주해 아니 미게서 있는 때 샘데 랑과스샤 단대 인만의 포사 맞서서 나 콜리지 두고에 스데고 기드버서 차베스 거레스 나 콜리지 두고에 스데고 땅아 땡두기 세디다 땡두기 총다 땡두기 다 쳄시 디글롬 지구에 쓰고 얼어봐다 딱 기드버서기 수비기 남바상기 최 아자자 띵사고 또베 다 땡두기 세디다 총다 쳄시 상물로 좀 당시에 라히니 진남 패배 이메이나 다야 포사 미게솔 데스 디두 친구들 용살다 단대찰라 아니 저저 날라이 그수이 가수그래 인두부 꾸접속이 아니 돌랭 체육갑라 세니 또 시샤로 토네 돌랭 체육도 칼라 팀로 좀 징엘라이 르부직 dim고 차유고 다 세니 토 땡디 롬조니가 시제 페이바이나 가데를 차유는 마음을 쳐서 푹푹이고 자살에 성성스럽지 세우시다 그러자 가서 땡디기 떠듬시 순직파 시가 제베네 투 딜렐 하 땡디 토 수주념도 자르지 수송과 있나 가데를 차유래 제체 오늘은 또낭지게요 듣고 이야기 넘어와 디우데오 갔다 박설기 긴드바 기꿀레 꾼체 둠지 딘지 침범이 투에디 랍치기 제제래 믹스에다 공조 초원에 가두인에 가르가는 거였으나 아니 드럽 니스주입에 남부 채워다 제대로 하라 당연히 미게초이네 다 빼서 따야 고추나 마도 지금에 긴드버서 드럽 니스주입에 남부 된데라 차도서래 당연히 미게서 빼서 따나 마도 나서로 고급대 뉴가 소라비도 디윈데 하라 이제 토메 미유직 근데 세르체 케르부스 대주유도 하라 강보디 약고도직 시제다 이그노기 믹스에 때네 같수 두어들 강주시보다 미유치 가르스나 아니 나슈 솔라 낭슈 티야 체드네야 데즈드 조이데 칼라다 나라 다른데 딩제 디규체 시게 유룩하 가바여베 있네야 야가 더유 룩 가바여베 있네야 나슈소 낭슈 장에 가서 여베 있네 대패체 아니 딩지부터기 딩주기 이그노 규체 라게 간절 레고도 나도 이내 대답부 낭주 야고 스고레 셰체 슈에디 지존단 공소쇼 나라 끝나보는 시리 미게소 이내 낭주 스고도 수위로 갈라 달리 때니 디 아니야 슝게 촐라 이내 낭주 티에 때니 차유고데 디에 아니 캠바나로 나시 슈에이 아니 공소쇼네다 가중고마 비르레 나 가지고 그게 야고 요 말했지 진짜 용다 차지고 알아 근데 예배시는 때스 알게 로요 달라고 아가지 고버치 운제가 이 벽에 특징이 쉬위 디슈글라 아니 간수 시윤 개치셔를 가샤다 뒤다 쉬되고 단대 문제 지고하래 아니 시윤 디고마라네 간수 답쇼인데 쪼치치 누구 알다 송사 아니 라스 쉬 답쇼인데 신경을 송사 신경의 쉬마 남편이 있잖아 다 지우를 쇼바니 열어봤어 땡디 수주기 시유부터 땡디디 장해야 돼 남편인데 다 쓰도 또 다른데 당은 세르체네 아니 이그노기다 믹스 시 때네 간수한테 원내라 공사쇼 공받다 남편인데라 차듯이야 수주기 낭주유부터 땡디기 시 차사 랍토야 때네 수토바데 랍치기 지제데 디송사 아니 꾸레 교행에 소나라데 아나시 롭치님라데 아니 케rum치 쯔베 아니 러준남바 꾸레 교행에 상말라 아니게 닝 타번네 투체나 시슈야디 아내는 게 인진의 책직이 슈나야데 믹스에 군주의 배우대로 갑라 kuransulen tuji shue keshim share simtu. First of all, I would like to thank Shri G.H. Imran Purji for being from Bangalore. You have been the main supporter who have always encouraged them, and Kushal Sonam and others, they visited you many, many times, and the fact that you being the main supporter means a lot. And so I want to thank you very, very much. And also, I want to thank Jitendra Kumar Srivastava ji for your eloquent speech in Hindi. आप इग्नो को ले जाना चाहता है जहाँ सूरज भी नहीं वहाँ भी ले जाना चाहता है. शायद आपको ऐसे जगह मिले वहाँ सूरज नहीं हो. और आप है ही सही गोरखपुर से, आपने लुम्बिनी और कुशल नगर देखा है. उस समय आपने बहुत लामा जी को देखा है. आज ये बहुत खुश की बात है कि देखा सिर्फ नहीं, आज सुबह हिज होलिनेस दलाई लामा आपको ब्लेसिंग मिला और सेरचे खेरुमचे साथ इतने खेरुमचे इतने लामा आपको ब्लेसिंग मिला, तो आज से आपके जिंदगी को बहुत ब्लेसिंग मिल गया. And I would also like to thank Dr. Venugopal Reddy ji for giving practical advice as to if you want to increase more courses, you need more teachers, qualified teachers and facilities. So I hope the center will expand from BA and few limited courses to more MA and PhD also in future. And for that, I'm sure the monastery and everybody will support whatever is needed. Because, His Holiness advised us, especially monks, to be a monk of 21st century, which means monks should not be well versed in traditional learning of Buddhism, but should also learn science, politics, and other, modern or international affairs, so that they'll be well versed in both worlds. Particularly in this day and age, nowadays, Buddhism is becoming very popular, not because it is simply a religion, but it is also science and philosophy. In fact, you can say Buddha himself was a scientist. He was not a dogmatic teacher who said, you follow what I told you. But he always said, whatever I taught you, you should be like goldsmith and test it to see the purity of the gold. Then only you believe. So he is the only teacher who says, don't believe what I said. Test and you take what you believe. Hence, Buddhism is becoming very popular around the world for the study of mind. I had the privilege of organizing a conference at Harvard Health School, where His Holiness was the keynote speaker. And then when I talked to the psychiatrist or the professor of medicine and health, he said in Western psychology and psychiatry, they don't consider mind as important. And when I asked them, what do you mean? They say, mind is what brain says. But in Buddhism and Hinduism, mind is a different entity, separate from brain. Hence, even the psychiatrists and psychologists, scientists are interested in Buddhism because the study of mind, mindfulness is so profound, so deep in Buddhist texts. Hence, by teaching the monks modern education, you are giving them the tools to take the teachings of Buddha to a larger world. Nowadays, mindfulness is very popular all around the world. But most of the teachers are either Westerners or non-Tibetans. But actually, the deeper knowledge of mindfulness is in Buddhist texts. As you know, Kanjur and Tenjur is 300 some volumes, is what Buddha said and his disciples said. If you really want to understand Buddhism or what Buddha said, there are a lot of Buddhist countries around the world, around 700 to 800, 900 million Buddhists around the world. If if you go to any country, if you go to China, you won't find more than 24 volumes of what Buddha taught. You won't find. You go to Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, any of the Buddhist countries, you won't find more than 24 volumes of what Buddha actually taught. It's only in Tibetan language. We have 300 volumes. India doesn't have even 12 volumes of what Buddha taught. So if you really want to know what Buddha taught and what his disciple taught centuries ago, it's only in Tibetan language. 300 volumes. Now, by opening an IGNOU center here, you're giving the monks the tools, the language, to take this mystery and the substantive aspect of what Buddha said in 300 volumes to the rest of the world. So hence, you should not see the center as a mere one of the 3,000 centers. I'm glad you call it special centers, because it's special in the real sense. Because from here, the message of Buddha will travel around the world in the words and minds of these great and learned monks. So this is a major contribution from your side. And this center is bound to succeed. Number one, His Holiness Dalai Lama blessed it. Number two, you can see all the monks are interested in blessing it. So with this amount of blessing, it's bound to succeed. Thirdly, Tibetans are very hardworking people, people of integrity. And unlike other centers, I don't know other centers. These centers will be run like a machine. Because I just shared with them, we provided this land, I think 4 years ago. Look at all the building structure has come. And there's another plot down the line. We just provided this, I think 18 months ago. They have built the largest swimming pool, sauna and everything. I'm going to use it. So these are the monks you're talking about. When you give them something, they run it so efficiently, so effectively, result will be very good. And honesty and integrity is inbred in us. And Tibetans are also very law-abiding residents of India. I remember going to different settlements, let's say in Arunachal Pradesh. When I'm the state guest, the local DC or ADC or SP or SSP come to receive me, and I always tell them, you don't have to come receive me. They say, no, we love coming to Tibetan settlement because there is no complaint, no crime in this settlement. So when you come, it's the most peaceful lunch we're going to have. So that's why I can assure you that you will be very proud that this center will be making major contribution in the spread of Buddha Dharma around the world, and especially the modern science and mindfulness and study of mind will be a profound contribution for rest of humanity. So, I can clearly see IGNOU can proudly say that we have a special center with a special. The word literally is a special. So be proud, and we can assure you that whatever facilities is needed will be provided by the monastery here, and support will be there. And I wish all the students and the teachers a great success. So with that note, Thamadala Danga, Tishuan Tande, look to number de, Gigan number de, Legion number de, third day, the Chindat Hangbone, Lish Savage Uzunangware, Dil Chaulamlu Yung Shos, and the Ne, Pendungeso, and the Suyugi, and the Nangjugi, Geshe, Haramba, Ajanja, the tall, PhD Bumramba like he, Nyamdo Yungi, and the Ne, Rembengomata to the give us shit, the care of Musuna, she is and Losawa, Mambuchi, Gaga Peche, Sanskrit Jangche. Nangchu Jangche and Pela Namsangi Church, Tarbe Chumanashi, and Tare IGNOU Center Juche. The Ne Tuyungetso, Suju, and Tingdu, she Niga Yopone, her Nala in a Peche, and Nangchu Tarbe Ibeine, to the Misaji Benamba, Chawarej, Konsashukana was Shisung, and the Perchina Nigala Tarbe Chimbu Short Chiche, and the Mundu Shugda Hone, and Hadu and Konsasho. Kuzi would never die, and Perna, we're going to do short ministry. Tuchina.
받은 신중초 지리 하장 제보이나야 드네 드링 두세 디든시 완전 제고 돌아 송겐드 페네 두시네 팔로 숨쉬 나와들 가린체 수행이 드네다 타마들 세진 기념 자산기 신행 근지 기시 이만 저시 초네 투지 지주의 숨쉬 남주
차동 걸로 기부 기부죠. 전동 가와 송부상에도 강라 강도 될라 되도 뭐좀 제리스가 차자로 토마 로라도 제 소남지 신주 공사경 부좀 쇼라 아니 고숨 급여권에 토지 제시하리 안저 레시 강치바디 아니 공사초 양측 투지까지를 내내 인바인자 토마 공사초 투지 제시하다 되네 permitted to second 경공 로선승의 조라 아니 송시에당 세시 계시게 만나와달이야 토지 제시하다 공원주안에 안 수분한 시제 아주 등득이 시 나라비 시를 돌이야 등득이 범람 망점 튼트야게 칼로 수분한 시제 예 남기 ignored local solution 계시 소소칼레 겹터이나 기실 사람 따요 되잖아 기실 사람 자게 냠도라 bomba musum zelage bomba balage sum zale tuyage tujeta dine yevemre sa ko chori kalona to chana shuado then I would like to thank Dr. Jitendra Kumar Srivastava जैसा आपने कहा है हम आपके आशा को निराश नहीं होने देंगे और आपके रुचि को और जैसे कि आपने कहा कि जहाँ सूरज नहीं पहुँचता वहाँ इग्नो पहुँचना चाहता हूँ तो हम भी आपके साथ हैं जहाँ सूरज नहीं पहुँचता वहाँ इग्नो पहुँचाने में हम भी आपके साथ हैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका Sejak Kenya doesn't give choosing you to get the care of the shop, Kalusung or Tushi Shadam. And then I would like to thank Dr. V. Venukapur Reddy, Director of Regional Service Division, IGNOU New Delhi. Dr. Reddy, we will fulfill your wishes. We won't let you regret giving us this opportunity, but we will let you be proud of giving us this opportunity. We guarantee that. Thank you. And Dr. G.H. Imapura, thank you very much for being with us since last many long time. And Mr. Chandra Vidala, thank you very much for being with us. And at this occasion, I would like to thank more people like Mrs. Hima Malini. She was with us long time ago, came here many times. And also I would like to thank the most eminent, honorable people who are front of the row. Because of their blessing, their advice, we came to this stage. And the last but not the least, I would like to thank our administration, the present administration and Abbott, as well as the ex-administration and also ex-Abbott. We started from their time, so we came conclusion now. So thank you very much for all of you. And thank you all of you for being with us. Thank you.
다 드링긴 저거데 니 자경은에 맞추잉야라 아니 이노미세기 로투다 lep셰도 조안즈 군denso 남바도 조연도 아니 텐텐인 라바지 쮸엔지 근데 손자 미세 이그노 레셰다 로투도 조디 슈로제스 슈야이 드링 드링이 저거디 자경은에 추주인 And I would like to request all the IGNOU staff and students to come front to have a group